Hello, everybody. I hope you will all be fine. I'm Dr. Professor Shakil Bhatti from Pakistan. Today, I am going to give a detailed presentation on world's most trustable and profitable online platform, which is called Vault. Nowadays, so many people in the world knows about the Vault. That Vault is the most popular earning platform on the earth nowadays. First, let me introduce Vault. Vault is UK-based company by the name of Vault Accountant Limited. If you search on the Google, then you will find its all detail on your screen. Mr. Andreas is the owner of this company, and this project had started in Jan 2025. We all know that almost 95% platforms are scammers, and nobody is ready to trust on any platform. But once you know about the Vault earning structure, you will definitely know that Vault is the only company in the world who will not go anywhere. Why? Because in Vault, every investment, each and every cent which you deposit to buy any pool, all amount, I'm repeating, all amount will be shared in Vault members only. Yes, all. When you will learn about Vault profit sharing system, you will come to know that if anybody buy any pool with any amount, money share between your upliner and members in the ratio of 30, 30 and 40%. No any single cent goes to company management or company owner. Company is only taking 10% commission on every withdrawal, and that is the only profit company is taking. So now tell me, why company will run anywhere and what company will take while running? When their only profit is coming from withdrawals only, so any child can easily understand that company will never stop its earning process, its earning source, its earning flow. Rather, company will make sure that company will run as long as they can. So all people join Vault with full confidence. Please understand and join Vault. Now I will tell you that how you make revolution in your life. There are 15 earning pools in Vault. You can join Vault just with $10 only. Yeah, $10. And which is in pool 1. And start an unlimited earning journey. Get unlimited earning opportunity in your life. When you buy pool 1 with $10 only, now you can start your unlimited earning from this single pool only. Now, whenever you will join any member with your link with same $10, you will get 100% return. Yeah, 100% return on every joining. Can you believe it? 100% commission. Have you heard or did you see 100% commission in any platform before? No, I'm sure you didn't. Because world is giving it first time ever. So just think, make member with $10 and get back full amount of $10. A earning journey has started. Keep making members and earn 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 unlimited amount of dollars. You don't think it's a great opportunity for you all? Yeah, it is. Now see the other advantage of making members. Whenever any member buy his or her another pool, you will get 30% commission on every investment made by your members. 30% commission on each and every member. Now take deep breath and put your hands on your heart, because I'm going to tell you that your each and every member will give you approx $57,000 till he reach 15 pools. I'm repeating, each and every member will give you $57,000 as commission till he reach 15 pools. Just imagine, you are not only taking 100% commission on every member, but each member will definitely give you that much amount. So imagine if you have 10, 20, 30 or more members, how much you will get. Sorry, I cannot calculate. My calculator will burst surely. And now finally come to your own earning journey. When you will enter in pool 2 by $20, now you don't have to make any single member. Shocked? Yes, it's true. System will automatically place members under you. In first level, 3 members with 30% commission on each member, and then 9 members with 40% commission on each member. And with these 12 members, your pool will complete. And what's the result? The result is you will get 450% profit on your investment. Can you believe? 450% profit means 4.5 times profit you will get on each and every poll. Remember, there is no any fixed time of completion any poll. When total members, 12 members will be placed, your pool will complete. Now you can withdraw 60% of your profit and enjoy, and buy next pool with 40%. That 40% will be saved in your pool wallet. You are not allowed to withdraw this 40% because company wants you to continue purchasing the next pools. That is amazing. That is excellent system. Means if you stop, system will not stop. Think and think again. This process will continue till you will reach 15 pools and finish your journey with $850,000 profit. I repeat, from 15 pools, you get $850,000 profit. And the profit you get from your members, that is separate. Each pool may takes 4 to 6 months, but by joining more members and using their profit, you can complete and buy next pools more earlier and faster. So it totally depends on your working, that how much fast and early you can reach till 15 pool. Remember, there are two ways to move fast and get most profit in minimum time. Number one, start with $10, make maximum members, and reach your destiny more faster. Number two, join with maximum polls and cut short your journey towards $850,000. Because if you have single pool, or if you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever the pools completion time is same. Means if you buy maximum pools, you will get all the buy pools profit in same completion time. And you can move to next pools more earlier and faster. So imagine that how much fantastic this plan is. I challenge all of you, if anybody can show me any better earning system in front of Vault, can anyone present any other earning platform which is most safest, most easy, and most profitable system like Vault? I assure you there is no any other better system to join. If any company offers you high profit in short time, be alert. Be alert. It must be scam. That company will no longer after few months. But Vault is long-lasting system and it will never stop anywhere. So please understand Vault deeply. I'm 100% sure you will choose Vault only. If you need more info, please contact the person who is providing you this presentation. Join Vault and not only start unlimited earning for yourself, but add other people with you to be rich with this system. Thanks a lot.